Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE N30, and today I will show you how to wipe cache partition. And to get started, hold the power key, select power off. Once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up, both of them at the same time. When you see the boot mode, let go of the keys, and then using only volume up, you want to select the first option and confirm it with volume down. From here, using both of the volume keys, you want to scroll down and select wipe cache partition, and then confirm it with power key. Select yes. And there we go, it's now finished. So once the process is finished, Reboot System Now will be selected by default, and all you need to do now is press power key once more. This will initiate the reboot and take you back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.